Price is currently holding at 1877.75. Say again, 1877.75, mark to the market. Price is trading back up. Let's take a quick lap around. Chaikin is clear to be short. MACD is still clear to be short. EMAs are clear to be short. SMI is clear to be short. MFI has actually turned up a bit after the trend line violation to the downside. So we're bouncing off that support level at the daily level of 1877.75 on the current 15-minute chart probe to the downside. Let's get back to our 1-minute chart. Okay, prices are coming in more strongly to the downside. We're clear across the board to be short. If you wanted to take this trade at this point in time, we'd want to see breaking the 1877.50 level. Yeah, I agree, Jeff. 1877.50 support level. So now the preferred level of entry would be, let me move this down. If you wanted to look to get back into this trade, the preferred level of entry would be 1877.25 with a close below 1877.50 on substantial volume. And again, I think we're going to need to see more substantial volume for another leg down on this, considering that we have a daily level at 1877.75. Now, the actual levels that we're looking to get through are specific to the 1-minute charts. 1-minute chart drives the 15-minute charts. 15-minute chart drives the daily charts. However, more substantial levels are laid out on the 15-minute charts. Okay, now we have a probe back down to 1877.50. Preferred level of entry would be 1877.25. With a close below 1877.50 on substantial volume. Next level I have on the 15-minute chart is 1877. On the 1-minute chart, that corresponds to an 1876.75 level. Below that, 1875.50 on the 1-minute chart. Okay, current Fibonacci application I have a support level at 1878 flat. That is a significant level as well, because that's also a match roughly for the daily level at 1877.75. So now we have multiple confirmations of this being a very significant level to get through. 1877.50 on the 1-minute chart, 1877.75 on the daily chart. Here we are, a probe below. No substantial volume coming in as of yet. We still have 20 seconds left in this current 1-minute bar. We have the probe below. So this corresponds to a daily level and a Fibonacci level we're getting through. Want to see substantial volume close us down here below this level. Here we are, more volume has come in. Okay, we have a close below. We are clear to be short across the board. Not a whole lot of volume came in. I'd like to see more, but you are clear to be short at 1877.25. Here we go. Okay, so we're trading down through a daily level and a Fibonacci level. Price is trading market to the market at 1876.50. Here we are, additional volume coming in. 15 seconds left in the current 1-minute bar. Market to the market, we're at 1876 and trading down. Clear to be short across the board. More volume came in on the down close of the previous 1-minute bar. Mark to the market, 1876.50. Price profit targets laid out on the 1-minute chart at 1875.50, 1874.75, and 1873.75. That's all I've got so far. 1876.25. Mark to the market. Shaking money flow, additional momentum to the downside. We have a tap to 1876, which is the support level laid out on the 15-minute chart. Next below that, we have 1874 on the 15-minute chart. Price is holding. We have 3 probes down to the 1876 level, corresponding with the 15-minute support level. Slightly more volume coming in here. About 5 seconds left in the current 1-minute bar. No up closes as of yet. There we go. Additional move to the downside. We are right through the 1876 level on the 15-minute chart, trading through the 1875.50 support level on the 1-minute chart. Next stop down is 1874.75. And keep in mind, you can take your profit at any of these levels. It's not bad to get out and lock in a profit, 2 points, 2 1/4, 3 points, and get out, because you never know when these prices can turn right back around. Looks like we are in the middle of more of a substantial sell-off, though, here. 1874.75 mark to the market. Straight down through, more volume coming in. Strong volume coming in, north of 12,000 contracts. Watch for support. Sometimes these can be the blow-offs and the area to take your profit out. We're getting down around an 1874 support level on the 15-minute chart, corresponding to 1873.75 on the 1-minute chart. Okay, this is all I have laid out on the 1-minute chart. We can go back to the 15-minute chart here. Next stop below 1874 on the 15-minute chart is 1872. Let's get back to here. Okay. Watch prices, see if this previous 1-minute bar with a strong volume was a blow-off to the downside. Good place to get out and take your profit. Prices are now trading back up. That'll give us some time to lay out some more 1-minute price profit targets here. $18.72. $18.72.50. Okay, price is trading back down, testing that initial floor at 1874.50, trading through. Okay, next price profit target level down is 1873.75. Below that, we'll have 1872.50. All indicators are clear to remain short. $18.72, and then 1870.75. Next legs of the downside is 1872.50. I also have 1872 and 1870.75. Strong sell-off in play. strong volume coming in. We're well over 10,000 contracts. Strong volume. Okay, we're through the 1872.50 level on the 15-minute chart. I have 1872 flat, which corresponds also to a 1-minute level. Next daily level down is 1870.75, which also corresponds to a 1-minute level that I have. It's not laid out on this chart. We get to 1872. Okay, next bar down, 1872. 1870.75. That is a daily level. Initial support is being found at 1872.50. We have strong volume on the previous 1-minute bar. Possible blow off to the downside as prices turn around and find support. So if you stayed in this trade from the initial preferred entry at 1877.25 down to 1872.50 at the most recent support area, 4.75 points. Now, no problem with taking profit at any of these levels along the way down. You lock in profit, and no matter what happens, You've locked it in. It's absolute. So there's no shame in walking with profit ever. You never know how much prices could continue to go down. You never know when they're going to come around and retrace. Here we are. Prices retracing more substantially on this up move. At the 1149 bar, strong volume coming in north of 16,000 contracts. Indicates that could have been the blow off to the downside. Prices retracing. Let's take a quick lap around. Take a look at our 15-minute indicators. MFI continues to downslope through that trend line to the downside. SMI still strong to the downside, tapering off marginally. EMAs have just tanked. And MACD, very strong momentum to the downside. Very strong momentum to the downside. Here on the 15-minute chart, you can see the 1870.75 daily level. 1872 support level that we just stopped shy of at 1872.25. Okay. Looks like for now, 1149 was a blow-off. Good place to take your profit. Now,